Hi everyone, welcome to Hive Niger. I am Steve Strings by name, and I will be making a cover of a song sung by K Strings, and the title of the song is Forever Yours. And I pray it should be a blessing to you. Thank you so much. Please enjoy. Thank you. The way you love me, no one can ever love me that way. Help me to see me from the lens of your heart. I'm forever yours, and I will sing of your love, Lord, and everything you mean to me. Kaonaraka, babu ka magsa, kay kabani, sabong ray kauta. Rayu ata kako may na tingakani har abada la 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 love of my soul. Look what you've done for me. You offer your treasure that I may be free to live. Kaonarika, babuka marsaya, kay kabani, samurai yauta, ayuanta, dako maina, nakani, abada. Oh, oh, oh.